we have this primary trend line and secondary trend line. This trend line has been tested 4 times. Every time price touch it, it goes up. If we compare these three with this one, then there is a difference, because this time we had this chart pattern. If we extend this trend line and our secondary trend line converges here, that would be perfect entry for buy. Market can be reversed from here, or it can retrace more and then reverse. If you buy on breakout from here, then your stop loss will be bigger. If you buy here, then your stop loss should be here, below the secondary trend line and trend line of this chart pattern. If market does not reverse from here or retrace back, then we have 618 Fibonacci retracement. If we draw Fibonacci extension, then we have target. The first target would be here, the previous high and new high at 618 projection. If your stop loss hunt, or there is a possibility we can have one more leg of ABC correction, then it has to break out this secondary trend line and then it will retest our primary trend line. On the test of secondary or primary trend line, market could easily reverse from here. After the breakout of secondary trend line, the ABC correction will be completed, and this chart pattern would be part of wave B, ABC correction. If you have not buy yet, then you should buy at the breakout or wait till 618 retracement. And don't forget to use stop loss. If we consider fundamentals, then we have news that Tesla is coming to India. The most important question is why Tesla is coming to India. We have sales data of July 2020 and 2019. 400 Mercedes were sold when everyone was pessimist, fearful. People thinking the market will never open. Everything was locked down: school, college, factories, showroom. If we consider Rolls-Royce, not just luxury but ultra luxury brand. Someone is so much rich, even in that condition he bought new Rolls-Royce. The entire luxury brand series was selling their car. If Indian can buy 400 Mercedes, more than 250 BMW and one Rolls-Royce, 4 Lamborghini, then they have money for Tesla. So Tesla will be in India till 2021, and government of India want that. Indian government want 30% of vehicle on road must be electrical. Coronavirus has already destroyed entire economy, not just India, entire globe. No one want to take risk for next crisis that would be climate change. Before coronavirus, India was on number 5. Wait till 2021. What will be a new number of India? Indian policymaker has already said in the same month, July 2020, they want India to be number 1 manufacturer. Entire US manufacturing is coming from China to India. Elon Musk knew how to exploit government opportunity. Government is forcing us to buy electric car. Now they have set 30% target. Maybe in next 5 or 10 years they will target for 50%. If climate change came or more serious than corona came, then they would target for 100%. They have no choice.